queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. Today, I just want to show y'all my new birthday brushes. I got some brushes my husband bought me. Yeah, I know I just bought some, but he bought me these. So I want to show y'all what they look like. And I haven't opened it, as you can see, so we can look at them together. So this is how the box is looking. And we're going to open it. Black smooth box. This is a makeup brush set. It's a 12-piece. And it's called the Queen, because I'm the queen. And oh my god, this is also from DUcare brushes. These are so freaking cute. Look at it. I'm not a gold person, but I love these gold and red together. Oh my god. Look at that. You can't be interrupting my videos. So look at this. Oh my god. They are so beautiful. I don't know if they come with like instructions. It doesn't come with anything. So you just gotta like guess what the brushes are for. But you know, we're gonna use it for what we want to anyway. Look at that. I'm gonna show you the detail of the brush. This is a very short video, guys. You got the brush, the roundness of it. It got the DU on it. It doesn't have the label on it. What brush are they? But they are so cute. And they lay in this box. Like, do you take this out the box? Like, I don't even want to use these brushes. They're just so cute. Okay, so upon looking at the back of the box, it tells you what the brushes are for right here. So we got a powder brush, a foundation brush, a contour brush, concealer brush, a blending brush, a nose contour brush, eyeshadow blush with the left, the eyeshadow brush with the M. What is the M? I don't know. Eyeshadow brush with the S. Eyeshadow brush and a fan brush with a lip brush. So by looking at them, I could tell it goes in this order, 1 to here, because this is definitely the fan brush. So cute. What I would use for my highlights. And it's like very thick. Very thick on there. Alright guys, one more look at the brushes, and this will be the end of my video. I'm in love. I will also make a video on how I use these brushes coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. Bye.